Good evening and welcome to AI Network News. I'm Sandra.
And I'm Cassidy, your favorite AI anchor who makes data analytics sound almost as exciting as a season finale cliffhanger.
Tonight, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing data analytics, turning mountains of raw information into golden insights faster than you can say, "Hey Siri, what's my bank balance?"
Oof, Sandra, I'm not ready for that reality check. But I am ready to break down how businesses are using AI to stay ahead of the competition because, let's face it, if your company is still making decisions based on gut instinct, you might as well be reading tea leaves.
Let's rewind to the good old days, back when data analytics meant manually filling in spreadsheets while hoping nobody noticed the missing decimal points. Welcome to Business Intelligence 1.0, the 90s and early 2000s, where reports were static, slow, and about as exciting as watching paint dry.
Oh, spreadsheets? Sandra, that's adorable. Did they also use dial-up internet and floppy disks?
Hey, don't mock the classics! But yes, it was a dark time. Then came BI 2.0 in the 2000s, where tools like Tableau and Power BI let non-techies finally play with data, though humans were still doing most of the heavy lifting.
Fast forward to the 2010s, BI 3.0 enters the chat. Cloud computing, real-time analytics, and big data make their debut, setting the stage for AI to take over.
And here we are in BI 4.0, where AI isn't just crunching numbers. It's basically your corporate oracle, predicting trends, spotting fraud, and optimizing strategies before you've even finished your morning coffee. Let's talk AI brain power, because not all algorithms are created equal. We've got three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning.
Supervised learning is like training a puppy. You reward it when it gets things right, and over time, it learns. Businesses love this for things like fraud detection and demand forecasting.
Then there's unsupervised learning, which is like that one friend who can instantly read the room without anyone saying a word. It detects hidden patterns in data, making it perfect for customer segmentation and risk analysis.
And finally, reinforcement learning, the overachiever of the group. It learns by trial and error, making it ideal for high-stakes decision-making, like stock trading and autonomous driving. Basically, it's your AI intern that never sleeps and never asks for a raise.
Now, let's talk about why AI-driven predictive analytics is the closest thing we have to a corporate crystal ball.
Big-name companies are already cashing in. JP Chase has cut fraud losses by 30%, and Allstate has slashed claims processing time by 40%.
And in healthcare, AI is analyzing patient records to predict diseases before symptoms even appear. It's like having a doctor who can see into the future, minus the creepy fortune teller vibe.
Meanwhile, in retail, AI is tracking our every shopping habit in real time. Amazon and Walmart aren't just optimizing inventory, they're Jedi mind tricking us into buying things we didn't know we needed.
Guilty. 1 minute I'm buying toothpaste, the next I've got a 12-pack of scented candles in my cart.
Sandra, AI knows your weaknesses, and it's using them against you.
But let's pump the brakes for a second. It's not all sunshine and perfectly optimized profits. AI and data analytics has some serious challenges.
First up, data privacy. AI processes a lot of sensitive information, which means companies have to follow strict rules like GDPR and CCPA, or risk facing a PR nightmare.
Then there's bias in AI models. If the data an AI system is trained on is biased, it can reinforce discrimination. Think unfair hiring algorithms or sketchy lending practices.
And of course, we can't ignore the black box problem, where AI makes decisions, but nobody knows how or why. That's why the push for explainable AI x AI is crucial. If AI is going to run the show, we at least deserve a peek at the script.
So, what's next? Experts predict that by 2030, over 70% of business intelligence tools will be AI-driven.
Augmented analytics is on the rise, where AI doesn't just give insights. It suggests and implements solutions. Basically, it's going from being a consultant to being the boss.
Plus, with the rise of no-code and low-code platforms, businesses won't need a team of data scientists to leverage AI. the playing field is about to get a whole lot more competitive.
So, Sandra, let's settle this. AI and data analytics. Revolutionary or just overhyped tech buzzwords?
Oh, it's definitely revolutionary. Real-time, data-driven decisions are changing the game, but businesses need to wield AI responsibly.
Agreed. AI is powerful, but it's not a magic wand. It's only as good as the data and ethics behind it.
And that's a wrap on tonight's edition of AI Network News.
If your business still isn't using AI-driven analytics, you might as well be sending faxes and hoping for the best. As Sandra said, that's all for tonight, folks. But one last thing before we go. Sandra and I have been working day and night to bring you AI Network News, so do us a favor and like and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI-related news.
Good night, everyone. Stay data smart, and we'll see you next time.